Hi guys, good day and welcome to Imprint Customs. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Yamaha Y-Zone dito sa Mandaluyong. So today is the official launching of the My Yamaha app. So samahan nyo ang Imprint Customs. So dito makikita natin na Imprint Customs is one of the official partners ng My Yamaha app. So samahan nyo kami sa loob, tignan natin kung ano mangyayari ngayon.
For joining us for the official launch of My Yamaha Motor Rev PH. Palakpakan naman natin ang Yamaha Philippines as always, finding ways to make our bike lives more convenient, and we're bringing you a whole new way to connect with the Yamaha. Alam ko yung mga Yamaha users dito, mga Yamaha lovers dito, katulad ko, excited kayo dito. So stick around, download the app, and get ready for the experience like no other. Our program begins shortly. At ang kagandahan sa Yamaha, of course, you can perform, but definitely you have to support. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa Imprint Customs. Kasama si Sir Gian. Alam mo naman maganda yung mga pormahan dito pag Imprint Customs. Yung mga pampandihinan, mga offer natin sa mga Yamaha loyalists natin, ang mag-expect nila sa Imprint Customs.
Okay, for Imprint Customs, syempre sa lahat ng Yamaha loyalists is lahat ng range ng Imprint Customs products is open for claiming sa My Yamaha. Lahat from cotton shirts, riding jackets, riding jerseys, yung mga varsity jackets na katulad nito, pwedeng i-claim sa My Yamaha.
Pogi na yung motor mo, pogi pa yung datingan mo, at madin kayo with Imprint Customs. Thank you very much, Sir Gian. Looking forward sa mga Yamaha motorcycle, mga Yamaha users natin na pag nakita natin sa daan, naka-Imprint Customs sila. Thank you very much again, Sir Gian.
Just few thoughts. Our team has been working very hard, and our peers from Japan also has been working this project so hard. So I'm very happy today for us to launch this app here in the Philippines.
Kita niyo naman kung gaano karami ang nagtrabaho just to give and offer this kind of app para sa ating motorcycle riders dito sa Yamaha.
But here, no need to put in your wallet. It's on your phone. It's very convenient. It's a way for us to minimize as well having papers. It's all about being digital. And this kind of program, it's something very unique. And we really try to understand what Filipino consumers would really looking forward for an app like this. You have achieved a certain point, especially Platinum. We go as far as trip to Malaysia to watch MotoGP. All of that in Yamaha experience.
I just wanted to say na hindi lang po siya exclusive for earning points, hindi lang po siya pang-earn ng points. It's actually, we're talking about exclusive promos, VIP rewards, and access to special events and activities. And ready na po ba kayo na malaman kung paano ba talaga natin magagamit yung My Yamaha Motor Rev natin?
Speaking of brand partners, another benefit naman na makukuha ng ating mga customer is a partner voucher, which basically is a discount that you could get directly from our brand partners.